This is not just a kebab. ये है full on love story between chicken and cheese. Okay, first bite तो बनता है. So today I'm making cheesy chicken kebabs. सबसे पहले ले लो chicken breasts और उसको बीच में से 2 long slices में काट लो. बिल्कुल जैसे लाइफ के गोल्स, clear and focused. Preferably a medium sized chicken breast pieces. अब इसको थोड़ा दर्द देना है. Some gentle थप्पड़ with the hammer ताकि चिकन हो जाए फ्लैट और कुकिंग में करे फुल कोऑपरेशन. Next step, the star of the show. Let's grate the cheese. So we need mozzarella and cheddar cheese. और ये जो फ्लेक्स है, बस यही तो लाइफ का असली फ्लेवर है. Okay, listen, no conjuicy in grating the cheese. We need to make the kebabs cheesier. And now it's time to line up the legends of this recipe. Let's begin making the creamy, dreamy marinade for the chicken. So here I have 750 grams of chicken breast. In order to marinate it, we need 6 to 8 tablespoons of fresh cream. To that, we have added 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon of mustard sauce, half a teaspoon black pepper powder, some chopped coriander leaves and salt as per taste. Let's mix all of this very well. And now gently apply this love letter on the chicken slices. अब थोड़ा रोमांटिक हो जाओ क्योंकि ये कबाब भी प्यार मांगता है. Massage the chicken very well with the marinade so that the flavors are very well infused in the chicken. देखो इस juicy chicken slice को. Feels like it's already saying, roll me up Devika. तो चलो, time for the kebab roll party. Here's adding generous amount of grated cheese. To that, some green chilies. And then roll it like a pro. And then secure it with ये long toothpick जैसा cheese. इसको food pick बोलते हैं. Isn't this so easy? And I bet it's going to be very tasty. This one's like me, so humble and cheesy. And now moving on to pan frying them. Pan में butter की generous generosity. And when it foams, drop in those beauties. In about 2 to 3 minutes, the cheese inside the kebab will melt. This will work as a glue and the kebab will not open up. Picks निकाल दो, lid लगा दो, and now we will cook it on a low flame for 5 minutes. और देखो, चिकन ने पानी छोड़ा है और थोड़ा चीज भी निकल रहा है. But don't panic. After 5 minutes, remove the lid and the water will automatically evaporate. Now let's flip them gently. और देखना चीज का golden tan. Cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes so that the other side of the kebab also gets caramelized. अब ऊपर से और चीज because we don't believe in minimalism. Close the lid and let the magic melt. And here it's ready. Serve karo with all that crispy cheese scrapings. That's liquid gold, my friend. बस अब आपकी बारी. Try this cheesy chicken kebab. टैग करो culinary heritage by Devika और सब्सक्राइब करो वरना चीज नाराज हो जाएगा. Look at that slice. Melted cheese, perfectly cooked chicken. Do I need to say anything anymore? This one's damn delicious. Make this and tag me. Thank you for watching.